Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix no sound device error in Roblox. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So here you can go to your search and type device manager. Now let's open up device manager. And here, go to audio inputs and outputs and click on scan for hardware changes. Now, if there are missing drivers for this software, it is going to be automatically installed and downloaded through this scan. Now, after that, you can click on this arrow down here and look for Realtek device. So here I have my Realtek HD audio. So what you can do is click on this one and click on update device driver. So click on search automatically for drivers, and this is going to install the driver automatically. Alright, now if that doesn't work, what you need to do is you can reinstall your Roblox. So to do that, go to your search and type add or remove programs. Now let's open this one. And here you are going to see the list of every app that is installed into your system. Now you can scroll down and look for Roblox. And here, once you find it, this is Roblox player. Click on the three dots and click on uninstall. Now after that, you can go to Roblox website and download the app again. You can run it again and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.